Built-in ovens, forged with devotion. Not just paint, this is power and pride. Polish right, yeah, we do it legit, no lies.
From stock mags to custom builds, every layer tight, every gap sealed. No rush jobs, no fake shine. If it leaves the shop, it's built to survive.
No hype talk, no shortcuts. If you want real quality, you know who to trust. Polish to the limit, powder coated, no gimmicks. Polish to the limit, powder coated, no gimmicks.
Clean look, strength in motion, one of the things you got right, pure devotion.
Street use, track days, show or ride. Same respect, same grind inside. Heat cured, bonded strong, fake proof shine that lasts damn long. No chips,
No fake,
real finish.
built to rage.
Polish to the limit, powder coated, no gimmicks.
Clean look, strength in motion, one of the things you got right,
Built devotion.
polished to the limit, powder coated, no